Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to connect your Eero Wi-Fi system to a Frontier router for improved wireless coverage and a seamless mesh network. First, make sure both your Frontier router and your main Eero device are powered on. Using an Ethernet cable, connect one of the LAN ports on the Frontier router to the Internet or WAN port on your primary Eero. Once the cable is connected, leave both devices turned on while you continue with the setup. Next, download the Eero app on your phone if you haven't already. Open the app, sign into your account, or create a new one if this is your first Eero device. After logging in, choose the option to set up a new network and follow the guided instructions. The app will automatically detect your Frontier internet connection in most cases. During the setup, you'll create a Wi-Fi network by choosing a network name and password. When everything is finished, connect your phones, laptops, and other devices to the new Eero Wi-Fi instead of the wireless network provided by the Frontier router. If you have additional Eero units, you can add them through the app to extend your Wi-Fi coverage. Place them in different areas of your home, and they'll automatically join the mesh system to provide a stronger and more consistent connection. For the best network performance, you can also enable bridge mode on your Frontier router if it's available. This reduces the chance of double NAT and prevents your router and Eero from broadcasting separate Wi-Fi networks, making your setup much simpler to manage. And that's all you need to do to connect your Eero system to a Frontier router. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.